In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a seamless pattern in Photoshop. First, create a new document. Then, go to File, then click New. Now, select a size, for example, 500 by 500 px or square size. Change resolution to 300 dpi, then background transparent or white. Now, design your pattern. Draw or paste elements like shapes, illustrations, text, etc. Keep designs away from the edges to prevent obvious cuts. Now, go to Filter, Other than Offset, set horizontal and vertical values to half the canvas size. For example, 500px set to plus 250px. This moves edges to the center so you can fill the gaps. Then, fix the center. Fill any empty areas in the middle. Ensure no overlaps or cuts along edges. Then, select all or press Ctrl A. Then go to Edit, then Define Pattern. Then give it a name. Test your seamless pattern. Then create a new canvas. Go to Edit, Fill Pattern, choose your Save Pattern to see it titled. And that's it. That's how to make a seamless pattern in Photoshop.